Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on our core. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. We are going to be doing some serious ab shredding. No equipment needed. This is all body weight. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get into the workout. So our first exercise, we're going to be leaning back and doing some ab sweeps. You want to bring both of your legs together, hovering here, keep your back off the ground. Lean back slightly, elbows are underneath you, beside you, but underneath you. You're gonna extend your legs and sweep them to the side, back to the front, and sweep them to the side. This is working out the obliques and the core at the same time. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. We're gonna focus on 10 reps on each side first. So 10 reps on this side, and then we're gonna move to 10 reps on that side. We're not doing opposites here. We want to keep those muscles working and isolate them as much as possible. Let's get started.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm...
the breathing that makes you shaky. All right, good job. Great job, you guys. We got one more exercise to do and we're off the hook for today on this core workout. All right, last exercise. So lay down on your mat, bring your legs up into a hover like this. And we're going to go ahead and crunch forward. Lower back should stay on the ground. It should stay nice and flat. Legs can have a slight bend in them. They don't have to be completely straight just for balance. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10 crunches. Keep your legs up as much as possible. We're trying to activate that core and use those abs at the same time, all right, guys? Last exercise, let's crush it. Good job. Give yourself a quick rest. All right, moving into set 2. Great job. Give yourself a quick 10-second rest and then we have one more set and we're done for the day. All right, last set, you guys. Bring your legs up. Let's get it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, geez. Good job, you guys. All right, guys, that's the workout for today. I hope you enjoyed this core workout with me. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.